Hi everyone, AlexNorimaki here, and I have something exciting to show you, okay? I've been like hyping this up for like a week now, and I'm pretty sure if I take any longer to explain what's going on, somebody will hurt me. We're doing an unboxing video, except this isn't really a box, so I'm not really sure how much of an unboxing it could be if this is a package. So we're gonna call it an unpacking? No, unpackaging? Opening. We're opening a damn package. Never done one of these before, so I have no idea what I'm doing. But I figure I want to show you guys exactly what's going on. So first and foremost, I get to work with a wonderful company called Job. And if you do not know who Job is, they are actually the makers of the Legends Cookbook. And if you don't know what the Legends Cookbook is, well, that's okay. I've got one here for you. Literally, this book is full of all kinds of recipes from all the different Zelda games, mostly from Breath of the Wild for obvious reasons. There's tons of recipes, so things like fried plantains. What else do I got? Crab omelet with rice. All of these kinds of things. And I get to work with these amazing people. They have taken hours upon hours making recipes based off of these different foods from different Zelda games, cooking them to make sure they're good, writing up the recipes, doing amazing food photography. Like, they've really done it all. And they put it all in this adorable, beautiful cookbook. We gonna open this thing. Oh my god, I have no idea what's in this because it feels like it's soft, but like, is it soft because there's something soft in here, or is it soft because this is like a secure package? I don't know. We're gonna open it, and I'm gonna move the package away from the mic so you don't have to hear while I'm opening this. If you're coming to this video and you've never seen me before, hi, how are you? Oh, that felt so good. My name's AlexNorimaki. I'm a variety content creator. Really like Legend of Zelda, if that was not clear by this video. But I play all kinds of games. I live stream. The YouTube channel will be doing a lot of games. I have indie games coming out, more stuff like this, all kinds of fun stuff. So if you came here to this video and have no idea what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button. We're trying to grow. We're trying to grow. It'll be amazing. You'll like it, I swear to God. Okay, first thing, there's a note in here. Wait. It's a handwritten little sticky note. No matter how much I fill myself with ... I am still hollow. From Job. And then it looks like the freaking ghost type gym leader from Gen 8 as a Kirby. I'm gonna just put a picture, like right here. Yeah. Isn't that adorable? Kinda creepy, isn't it? This is in plastic. Ooh, it's blue, and it's... Yo, look at this. How do you open this? Yeah, buddy, look at that. It's beautiful, it's blue, and you cannot buy it. It's so cute. That is so precious. Yo, I cannot wait to... Hold on, I have to try it on. Hold on. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah, we working that. Yeah, we look good in this. Oh yay, this is so cute. Okay, totally irrelevant to Zelda entirely. They sent me something called 3 Courses, which is actually the Fire Emblem cookbook they made. How to sharpen knives, pheasant cuts, because it's that important to know how to cut a pheasant. There was something with meat in it. Ooh. Okay, onion gratin soup. I would literally destroy my bathroom, but I'm still gonna make it. Batter's Almanac 2022. Wait, what? It's sideways. Oh my god, it's a calendar! Is this Metroid? This seems very, Super Metroid-ish, but it might not be. I might be tripping. February, I think, is Punch-Out, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, this guy's getting punched out. Sorry. Okay, what else we got? Clearly, yo. This is cute. I'm kind of mad I don't get to use these months. This is gonna be my content calendar. I don't care. What else? Hell yeah, fight that Stalfos. Okay, April for Link in a dungeon fighting a Stalfos. Honestly, if they looked like this, I wouldn't be mad because he's kind of cute. Duck Hunt. This should not be funny. I'm recording this on June 1st. May just ended. You may not get to have this decidedly dramatic ass scene on my wall. Where am I gonna put this? This is June. Sonic. Green Hill Zone is June. Okay, this seems very June-ish. This is a very summery thing. Stop. Wait, I can't remember. Stop. I know I've seen this. Who is this? This isn't Contra, right? No, no, no. August, Donkey Kong. Hell yeah, look at Diddy's tail. August is a cool one. Okay. September. What is that? Is that Earthbound? With the phone ringing and that's where... If you're new here, you wouldn't know this, but I tried to do an Earthbound playthrough and I just stopped playing it. Maybe I should play the rest of it? I don't know. We'll pick it back up. But this is Earthbound. How cute is this? Okay. October. Something spooky. Something spooky. Castlevania, maybe? November? Yo. Is F-Zero? It probably says on here. This definitely says Street Fighter. Okay, head ass. Look at these drawings. Yo, it has the S. That thing was so goated for no freaking. Does anybody know what that even means? This is also fabric. Is this another apron? What is this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna drip in this, brother. Which is cool, because honestly, if I've got 2 aprons, that means if one of my besties wants to come for a cooking stream again, that was a fun time in the kingdom, they can actually be in dress code. Ooh, pins! Breath of the Wild lovers, where are you at? You saw the trailer for the second Breath of the Wild. It's Lynx Decayed sword. Yeah, you know what? Just put it on my face because you're already focused on my face. It's Lynx Decayed sword. I really hope like Fee doesn't feel this as like pain. Because I'd imagine this is kind of like broken legs for sis. Wait, no, because the handle of the sword is her legs. This is... It's Postman mail. Like that wild-ass Postman I'm supposed to cosplay soon. Okay, if you open it like this... Oh my god, it's a Majora. It's a Skull Kid stamp. It's a Skull Kid stamp. Oh, and this one's Goron Link. Oh my god, he's so cute. Fierce Deity in Majora's Mask. Fierce Deity in Majora's Mask. That is actually insane. I'm gonna make my brother so freaking jealous. So yeah, there you have it. Job sent me some really cool stuff. Honestly, I don't really know what my favorite thing is. Probably this Fierce Deity pin. No. It's definitely the calendar, because this calendar is banging. Like this calendar is so freaking cool. I didn't even know they had this. This is radical. So a big shout out to Job, the Legends Cookbook team. You guys are absolutely the sweetest people in the world. I will be linking their entire Kickstarter/shop to you guys down in the description. Please go give them some love. They really are the best people and they make amazing things. Not even just for Zelda, for like everything, apparently, but definitely for Zelda. Like if you're a Zelda fan, spend some money. You know, you got it in you. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so that's this. I will be doing more cooking videos, just like the ones that I did in the way back. It'll be a lot of fun. We'll be doing cooking streams. I'm gonna make sure to take pictures in this amazing apron. Like, I'm gonna look amazing. And that's really it. If you enjoyed the crap out of this, you know, unboxings are pretty fun. I think I had fun opening mail, but like, who the hell doesn't have fun opening mail? If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It tells YouTube that I know how to unbox shit. And hit subscribe. We're trying to grow the YouTube Penguin Village as much as the Twitch Village is. And yeah, I'll see y'all when I see you guys.